confirm, to repeat, and affirm before the whole congregation their baptismal confession. My beloved candidates, you are now going to renew your baptismal promises. On that day, the priest asks you, do you renounce Satan? Do you promise to follow Jesus? You were too young then to answer these questions. So your parents and godparents answered them for you. So now before you receive the Spirit, I ask you to renew the profession of faith you made in baptism, or your parents and godparents made in union with the whole church. My dear candidates for confirmation, do you reject Satan and all his works and all his empty promises? I do. Do you believe in God, the Father Almighty, creator of heaven and earth? Do you believe in Jesus Christ, only Son, our Lord, who was born of the Virgin Mary?
Thank you, Maureen. Hi, Kuya.
Prayer position, boys. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Next, may we have the junior high school teachers, staff, and teacher volunteers. Kindly exit